PYT. 35, fresh case, 10 bucks. Prizm Hobby Mega. That was fun. Phil Ivey is so freaking good at poker. He's just so good. He's so not overrated. Keep guessing for 30. Last autograph. Okay. Okay, Backer will be back in here soon. Backer will be back in here soon. Guys, you know what I just talked to Backer about for a minute? Bless fam. Hi, Doom Saloon. Killer B. Otis. Guys, has anybody seen Scratch? You hit a Chet sneaker patch to 15 on accident yesterday? That's a pretty great accident. That's a pretty great accident. That's big. Guys, Prizm NFL Cello and Retail have been released. Or at least I know Cello's a new release. Cello is $200 a box. I think we're going to get some. I talked to Backer, and to be honest, I'm trying to get in control of ordering for our channel. Ordering product. So it can be done faster. To be honest, I just want to do it. I want to order us some cases of Prizm NFL Cello at $199 a box, and it's $189 a box for Prizm Retail Football. I want to order us some boxes, see if I can get a good price. What do you guys think of that? That's a good idea, right? It'll be a nice change up from Prizm Hobby Mega, and it'll be cheap, really cheap. William Jensen, we are getting Obsidian. Backer and I need to talk about that too. How much of it we're getting and in what style. I think we're going to run that as a parallel break. Because honestly, guys, do you guys know how much Obsidian is? Who knows how much Obsidian is? Hobby. I know. Guys, it's $600 a box. Exactly, Scratch. That's my point. Cheap Prizm can't be a bad idea. Is Obsidian a good product, Eddie? Yes. Yes, Obsidian is a good product, but at $600 a box for a hobby Obsidian football, no, it's not a good product. So what we have to do is we have to make it a pick your parallel and not a pick your team. Pick your team, we are limited to 32 team spots. Pick your parallel, I think we can get like 45 parallels out of it. Which means it'll be way cheaper to enjoy the product overall. Make sense? Sound good? But, guys, let's not even, you know what? I mean, I know that, what is it, Wednesday is Obsidian? But you know what I'm looking forward to? I'm looking forward to Immaculate. Guys, Immaculate is in a week and a half. 1 week and a half, guys, until Immaculate football release. That I'm looking forward to. That's going to be amazing. That, Immaculate, I believe we will offer that as a pick your parallel, but also a pick your team break. There's nothing to read the message. I'm sorry, Kato, you're not getting free teams. I don't do that. No free teams. I love you, Kato. You've been with me a long time, but I can't give things away for free. I'm looking forward to the draft too, Eddie. But guys, Immaculate football a week from Wednesday is going to be balls to the wall great. I got a feeling. I believe Optic, yes. Yes, Optic will be released in all forms. If anybody's wondering about Optic football, we'll do it in all forms. We're going to do Optic football in color and in pick your team breaks. Guys, the great products, you're always going to get PYT, like the really good ones. Unless it's unaffordable. That's the only way. Guys, the only times that you only get a pick your parallel or pick your color break for a product is if the product is so overly expensive that we know that pick your team breaks will not fill. Ooh, we got a checkerboard. Checkerboard! Listen, I'm trying to get you guys to really pick up on this concept. And when I mean you guys, you know I'm not talking to everyone. A lot of people do understand. The people that don't understand why we don't pick your team certain products like Spectra, or Impeccable, or whatever, or NT, right? There's a reason. It's because you are making less spots, which makes the team prices more expensive. And more important, not all teams are even close to equal. There are teams that are not good, that most people do not want, that we're going to have to make more expensive than they need to be because of the price of the boxes. So when you do a parallel break, every parallel or color spot gives you access, availability to hit any player, which makes every spot good. And even if it's not a good spot for a good parallel or color, we can make it cheaper because there are more spots available. So it lets us stretch the price. Do you guys understand? Does that make sense? Exactly. Exactly. And that's the other thing it does. Otis just brought up a good point that you guys forget about sometimes. Pick your parallel and pick your color. Can you get dusted in those? Absolutely. Absolutely. But the difference is that the parallel and color spots will never be the same amount as a super elite team will be. Okay? And you will get dusted on a super elite team just like you will on a parallel or color spot. So you're saving money that way too. There's a lot of reasons that we do pick your parallel and color as opposed to pick your team. But we don't. We try to mix and match and do both. But I'm telling you right now, if we ran Spectra, I saw for a second you guys were talking to Hamma about it. Somebody was talking to Hamma yesterday morning about why don't you guys run pick your team. Spectra, we barely do any if we ran it as a pick your team break. It's too expensive. It's like good luck getting somebody to buy the Bucks or Washington in Spectra, because you can't make Houston, Indianapolis, Tennessee, the Falcons, the Ravens, Vikings, you can't make those teams expensive enough to make the Bucks or Washington cheap enough to make people want them. And then you got to worry about fillering. It's just not worth it. And it would make us slow down. It's just not smart. All right, good luck, guys. Spectra's next. Spectra is next. We got to start moving and breaking. Remember, we're off. We're ending the channel at before 5 today, so we got to move. Kendre Miller is going to start us on the Pulsars. Calvin Austin. Jack Smith-Jigba is our first patch. Pacheco silver. Ah, there's my mushroom for nasty. New Texan running back Mixon. Ah, there's our kid. There's our kid for Gudger Golf. Early Bijan piece. Jalen Carter. First auto. First auto. We'll show it at the end of this stack. Hendon Hooker, true silver. So far, McNasty's knocking it out of the park. Tyree Wilson. There's a Patty base. Kittle. Hollywood Stroud base. That's good. You know, anything Stroud in this is good. Hi, Mikey. How the Carolinas treating you, pal? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, McNasty. Oh! Sammy Laportabella Mushroom. For Nasty. Hell yeah. That a baby. That a baby. Nice job. Devin. Brees. Stroud piece. And Luckbox Riot is complete. Nice hit. That's what you're looking for. That's one of the pieces you're looking for when you buy Houston. Kamara. Will Base. Can't see. Tua silver. Dotson piece. Will. Khalif Raymond silver. Chase Brown. Tyler Scott, rookie silver. Cedric Tillman. Silver of Hunter. Has Hunter Renfrow signed with the team? Probably not. Checkerboard. Checkerboard coming. Jalen Hyatt for the Giants. Checkerboard. Oh, that's not bad. First you see Jets, then you don't see rookie, and then you think A-Rod. And then it's not him, but you forget you can still look Garrett Wilson and Sauce Gardner. Lucky Matty. Nice checkerboard. Second year, DROY. Hell of a break to start. Hell of a break to start. JPJ silver for Austin. I think that was a Phil team. Spectra's next. We're almost done here. We're over halfway full. Halfway through, I mean. Sorry. Halfway through. Slim Pickens. Autry silver. Hayner. Pacheco. Bosa. Two stacks left, and then we do Spectra. Spectra after these two stacks. Yeah, that sounds about right, Kroggles. Gibbies. Judy. Rasheed. Clayton Tune, rookie silver. Derek Hall. Anytime touchdown silver. Foskey. Marcus. Pierce, 1 per 10 boxes, minimum. Trey Lance. Mark Andrews silver. Jack Campbell. Chris Rodriguez for Austin on the kill. True silver. We're almost done. Benton. Lockett. Eminem for the Raiders. Another auto. There we go. Auto number 2 in these 10 boxes. Let's fill Spectra. Let's do that next. Downs for the Colts and Gudger. We need to see some Bryce right now. We need to see some Bryce. Austin needs to see some Bryce Young. Silver of Hayden. There's another Stroud base. That's worth money. Hi, Phil. That I don't know. I can't, Phil. I can't. The guys in the room can answer. I can't. I haven't dealt with the basketball market in a while. I can't answer that, but they can. Emmanuel Wilson. Another Pierce. There's a Bryce. Silver of Davis Mills. Zach Evans. Tua. Jimmy Cook, second-year silver. All right, let's see what that last auto is. That was a nice 10 boxes. Not great. It was nice. Actually, that's not true. We got that Laporta auto. We got the checkerboard of Sauce. We've hit some good pulsars. We got the Stroud piece. Let's recap, and then we'll show last auto. Okay? Your guess. Your guess for 30. Recap. This was a good break. Devin, Joey, Mushroom, Hendon Hooker, Silver, Gibbs, Stroud, Bijan, checkerboard of Sauce, Sam Laporta autograph, C.J. Stroud, patch piece. Pretty good 3 cards right here. Pretty good 3 cards. Pretty good. And the auto guess. Be a good team. Be Taji. Be Spears. Not Skronsky. Be Spears. It is. It's not Peter Skronsky. It is the new running back who will be splitting carries with Tony Pollard. Taji Spears for Knox. Uncle Nino. Did anybody say Tajay Spears? Who said Taji Spears? Nice. Really nice. That was a good break. Good